Good morning, great morning, all the kiddos of the Newsome Nest. All right, so today we are prepping ourselves for our Google Training Certification. So, right quickly, before we start with our actual certification, let's play a game. All right, so I have set up quite a few different games that you guys can go in. So I would really suggest that the first thing you guys do when you have your workspace right over here in Google Classroom, I would also go over here and split screen so that you can have all of those PDFs open of the Google trainings that we've done. So this one that I have right here that I'm showing you is the one for Google Classroom. So if I were you, I would just add more and more tabs right there and have all of your certifications open right here, all of that training, because both on these review games and also on your certification test or quiz or assessment or whatever you want to call it, you are not timed. So it could take you 3 minutes or it could take you 30 minutes, and that is completely okay because I want you guys to do your absolute best. All right, so for number 7, that is the review. And then for number 8, you guys are going to see it just renamed Google Apps for Education Certification. So it's going to be this same video, but on one hand, we're reviewing with all of these, and then when you guys feel ready and you're charged up and you have all of your energy going, then you're going to jump into number 8 and actually take your certification test assessment. All right, so when you take that for number 8, let's say the first time you get, let's just say an 82, and you are super bummed out that you got an 82 because in order to earn those badges and get your certificate that you've got to have better than an 82. You've got to have a 90. So you can take it over and over and over. But what if you run out of time in class? Well, the internet is a thing, my friend, and so all you have to do is when you are in your flex class or when you get home or you're in a class before you show back up to me tomorrow, you guys can go and use those same links over and over and over to earn the best score that represents how much you have remembered and you've studied, and we know all of the Google Apps for Education. All right, so just to show you what Quizizz is going to look like, it is gamified, so it's going to ask you questions. It's going to give you a positive, funny, awesome meme if you get it correctly. And if you get it wrong, it's going to help you to get to the answer that would be correct. All right, so any random quizzes that you want to take a look at to help you study for other courses, you can always just go to quizizz.com/join and you can find those. And all of ours are going to be found when you log into this class. All right, so even if you guys are working virtually today because you are on vacation or you are not feeling well or whatever the reason, you guys can still be working alongside with us. All right, so there's a couple of these that I'm going to launch live so that we can play them together and challenge each other. And the winners will always get a prize. All right, when you guys are done with that stuff, I want you guys to give me a private comment just to let me notify me that you're done. So just for fun, I want you to tell me what your favorite ice cream flavor is. So if you love cotton candy and cotton candy ice cream is your absolute favorite, then in your private comment, that's exactly what you will tell me. And then you will turn it in. All right, y'all, I am very excited to start playing along with you with these games to review and then seeing how fantastic you are with your certification. Good luck.